Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Zombies on a school Chromebook. The only viable method for experiencing the full game is through cloud gaming. This technology streams the game from powerful remote servers directly to your Chromebook's browser, meaning your device doesn't need to handle the heavy processing. You'll need a robust internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, and an active subscription to a service like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming. To get started, first select a cloud gaming service that supports Call of Duty games. Popular options include GeForce Now, which requires you to own the game on a supported PC platform, or Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is part of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. After signing up and subscribing, navigate to the service's website in your Chromebook's browser. Log in, find Call of Duty Zombies in their library, and attempt to launch it. Remember, network restrictions are a common hurdle. To optimize your Call of Duty Zombies experience, several steps can significantly improve performance. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. This can reduce latency by up to 50%. Close all other browser tabs and applications to dedicate your Chromebook's resources to the game stream. Finally, connect a compatible gaming controller via Bluetooth or USB. Playing with a controller offers far greater precision and immersion than using the trackpad or keyboard. It's crucial to understand the limitations. School networks frequently block gaming services, making access impossible without IT intervention. Even with cloud gaming, your Chromebook's display and internet speed might limit the visual fidelity and responsiveness. If direct cloud gaming isn't an option, consider playing Call of Duty Mobile, which sometimes features a zombies mode, on a personal device. Alternatively, explore various browser-based zombie games that are less demanding and might be accessible on your Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.